கேம்ஸ் கல்வி சேனல். இந்த வீடியோவில் 4th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேர்ம் 2 சோஷியல் யூனிட் 2 ஃபிசிக்கல் ஃபியூச்சர்ஸ் ஆஃப் தமிழ்நாடு அதோட புக் பேக் பார்க்க போகிறோம்.
Evolution 1. Which wildlife sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu? Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. 2. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at Nilgiri Hill. 3. The topmost branches of trees form a chain called canopy. 4. Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate. 5. None of them are found in the places where there is heavy rainfall. Match the following. Mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu, Western and Eastern Ghats. Surli Waterfall, Theni. India's first sea bridge, Pamban Bridge. Pichavaram, Mangrove Forest. Tamil Nadu's coastline, third longest in India. Third Roman true or false? 1. Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state in India. True. 2. Tamil Nadu is located in the west of India. False. 3. Kurunji flowers blossom once in 2 years. False. Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather throughout the year. True. Deciduous forests do not shed leaves. False. 4th Roman, answer in brief. First one, name the states that Tamil Nadu shares boundary with. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala. 2. What were the different landscape of Tamil Nadu? The landscape of Tamil Nadu can be divided into 4 categories, namely mountains, plateaus, plains, coast. Third one, what are the different plains in Tamil Nadu? Plains in Tamil Nadu can be divided into river plains and coastal plains. 4. Name the waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Hokenekal Falls, Kutralam Falls, Surli Waterfalls, Vattapare Falls. 5th one, describe the climate of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate and there is very little difference between summer and winter. The temperature during summer can rise up to 40 degrees Celsius. Due to its location, Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather at most throughout the year with mild winter. Tamil Nadu is dependent on monsoon rains and often faces droughts if monsoon fails. 6th, differentiate evergreen forests and deciduous forests. Evergreen forests. These forests are also known as tropical rainforests. These forests are also known as monsoon forests. These forests do not shed their leaves. These forests shed their leaves during summer. These forests are found in areas receiving more than 200 centimeters of annual rainfall. These forests are found in areas receiving annual rainfall between 70 to 200 centimeters. Right answer. Where do the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet? Nilgiris Hills. 2. Name any 2 wildlife sanctuaries in the Western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary. 3. Name some important rivers in Tamil Nadu. Palar, Cheyyar, Pennar, Kaveri, Vaigai, Thamirabarani. Where is Kutralam Waterfalls located? Kutralam Waterfalls is located in Tenkasi. 5. During which month does the state receive rainfall from southwest monsoon? June to September. 6. Describe the weather of Tamil Nadu in a sentence. Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather almost throughout the year with a mild winter. The Madras Presidency, called as Tamil Nadu, comprised of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala and Odisha. Later in 1953, Telugu-speaking region of the state was split to form Andhra Pradesh. Similarly, in 1956, Malayalam and Kannada-speaking regions of the state were split into Kerala and Mysore. Pamban Bridge in Rameswaram is India's first sea bridge, opened in the year 1914. Drugs or steep rocks. Rockfort is a famous drug in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Tiruthaneri recorded the all-time highest temperature of 48.6 degrees Celsius in May 2003. Mark the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal on the map. Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. On the district map of Tamil Nadu, any 3 coastal district of Tamil Nadu: Tiruvallur, Chennai, Kanjipuram.
இதோட இந்த வீடியோ முடியுது. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.